Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add new rows to your tables and databases on Notion. So let us dive into it and show you how to make that happen. It is actually very simple. So head over to your Notion workspace and access your page or database. Let me go with that test page here. And as you can see, I created already two different tables for the sake of this tutorial. So if you'd like to add a new row, guys, simply hover your mouse over the lower end of the given table and you will see that plus icon with that command here. Click to add a new row. So simply do that by clicking on it, and that is going to add a new row to your table. And you can do basically the same with columns here to the right. Hover your mouse over the right end of the given table and click into that field to add a new row, just like that. Or a column in this case here. And yeah, let me add another row and another one and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, super simple. And if you'd like to add rows and columns at the same time, do the following, guys. Hover your mouse over the bottom right hand or corner of the given table till you see that cursor here with that double-headed arrow, and simply click into that corner and drag it to the bottom right to add more columns and rows at the same time, as many as you like, as you can see. So super simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.